Are you guys tired of managing your e-commerce service across multiple platforms? Like you have Facebook, Twitter, all of that social media handles, and then you have Shopify inbox. You also are getting sales from Amazon, eBay, and it's a lot of hassle to manage all of the queries of the customer. Today, I'm gonna tell you a software which can streamline all of your customer support problems, and it's going to ease your life when we talk about the customer support. So, ReplyDesk is the software which is going to transform your customer support experience. It's especially designed for e commerce, it can also integrate with Shopify, and it's going to consolidate all your customer messages into a single streamlined process. Reply Desk brings together all of your messages from different sales channels, like you have Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and let's suppose one of your customer inquire about the delayed shipment in Amazon or Shopify, then customer agent can directly log into help desk. He doesn't need to go to that specific channel and reply to that customer and get all of the order history and all of the details in one single dashboard. To keep your operations running smoothly, Reply Desk also empowers every single agent with customizable tools and filters to get off the workload and be on top to handle everything smoothly. So collision detection alerts are also really helpful. So there are no duplicates when team is already responding to a ticket to avoid any duplication. And it's also really good so admin can assign a specific permission to an agent, so they only have those tools which are needed for those agents. With the AI powered feature, Reply Desk takes the customer service to the next level by generating automated response using the AI LLM models, and it also helps with the translation so your team can effectively communicate with your customers in multiple languages. Streamlining workflows become effective as there are a lot of automation features which you can add in Reply Desk, as it automatically assign the ticket to the agent which you want to, and it also add nodes and tag, and it also has an internal communication system for where admin can communicate direct with the agent. So it's a complete communication hub ensuring automated and streamlined workflows. With the powerful customizable inbox views, which includes real-time countdown timer, it has given you a UI which will help you prioritize effectively and ensure timely response to every customer. And it also give you a detailed analytics and performance chart resolving the ticket reports and let you track trends, identify bottlenecks, and make data driven decisions to improve your customer support, because that's something really important in your e-commerce business. With Reply Desk, there are no hidden fees. There's a fixed price for every single agent with unlimited messages and all of the features. So there is a complete transparency and no hidden fees when you talk about the Reply Desk. A simple pricing model for you and your team, and you can try that out completely for free if you have one single agent and see if it improves your customer support, help desk, and the AI powered tools are robust, and it's gonna help you a lot with your customer support in your e-commerce business. So make sure to check out the Reply Desk link in the description where you can sign up and enjoy it with all of the robust AI and all of the features and connecting all of your different sales channel to one single platform. So don't delay, link in the description. Try now.